Carolyn, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a Valentine's Day gnome. First, you're going to need these colors. I'm going to use blue, a light blue or teal color. These kind of look similar, but this is a teal and this is a blue. A pink, a black, a peach, or this is apricot, and a red. You can use a pencil. You could also use a Sharpie like me. So we're going to start by drawing the bottom of the gnome's hat and the nose. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to draw a line up like this, and then it curves down like that. And then I draw a line up, then a line up again on that side. We're going to draw this line up and around, but then we're going to leave a little space here, and we're going to draw that to match. This is the bottom of the gnome's hat. And then we're going to draw the nose. So you start about right here, go around and back. Okay. Now, if you need to pause this video at any time, that's fine so that you can catch up. Just know you can always pause it. Now we're going to draw the top of the gnome's hat. I'm going to start about a little bit off the edge here, about right here. And I'm going to go up, around, and down. And I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to go and put a line here like that, and then I'm going to connect it here, just like that. And draw a little circle right here for the end of the hat. Okay, now we're going to draw some lines. And we'll add some hearts on the hat. So I'm going to do one heart here, another heart here, and another heart here. You can do the hearts however you want. You could add them down here. You could add more. This is just what I'm doing. Okay, now for the beard. We're going to do the beard, and we're going to do the arms and the hands. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go swoop out, and then swoop back in. Do the same on this side. Swoop up, swoop this way, and then go back in. And then I'm going to curl in here, and curl out. And this side, I'm going to curl in, curl out. Now I'm going to draw the arms, and the arms are going to come out of his little beard here. So I'm going to curve around, and then I'm also going to make his hands while I'm curving back around. So I'm going to start about right in here, curve in like that, and I'm going to put a thumb right here, line like that. There's his first hand. And do the same over here. Curve in for his hand. He has little mittens on. Okay, now we're going to draw his belly right here. I'm going to start about right here, and then we're going to go around. Okay. And now for the heart. So we are going to start at his thumb, and we're going to go whoop, whoop for the heart. So 1, 2. Okay. He's holding this heart, so we're going to draw the end of it too, like that. He's holding on to that heart. And I'm going to draw the bottom of his beard right here. Swoop in. To even that out too over there. So he's got his beard, the heart, his mittens. Now we need some legs. So we're going to do some boots for him. So I'm going to use my mittens as guide. So I'm going to start one leg here, down, and then up, around. Down, up, around. And I'm going to draw the bottom right there. So just the lines. And there is your gnome holding on to heart. And he's got his heart hat. Now, all we have to do is color him. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun drawing this Valentine's gnome. And for how to draw pages and coloring pages, you can visit my website, carolinecassidyart.com. You could also check out, I have a drawing book called How to Draw a Little Bit of Everything on Amazon. Bye!